Challenge 5 of the coding challenges, the advice generator. The idea of this program, nice and simple. Computer asks you whether you want some advice, and if you say yes, it gives you some advice. So 3 levels as usual. The bronze level, you ask them to input some data. If they respond with a yes, you give them some advice. Silver is same as the bronze, but you have an if-else statement. So if they say yes, you give them some advice. If they say no, then you say something else, give them a response, suitable response. And then finally use the gold level so that you can use an if, else combination. So if they answer yes, you give them some advice. If they answer no, then you give some different advice. And finally, if it's not yes or no, then you give them some kind of invalid input to say, you need to enter yes or no. Also with the gold level is use the dot lower method on their input so that if they put yes or yes in capitals or no in capitals, it will still give the correct response. It won't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase. So let me give you a demonstration of those. Let's have a look. So here we go. Bronze, nice and simple. Do you want some advice? And if you type in yes, there you go. 3 little sentences that give you life. There we go. And you can see here, if I put no here, it will do something different. It won't give me that advice again. It will simply just end the program. So there's bronze. Let's have a look at silver. Do you want to hear some advice? Let's try again. Yes. Again, it gives me the advice, which is fine. And this time it waits a few seconds and then it says goodbye, being polite. And this one, because it's got the if-else combination, if I put no, or if I just put nope or anything else, it should tell me that it's got an invalid answer. There we go. And again, it says bye. So there's the bronze, there's the silver, and then finally the gold, the better version. This time clears the screen when it starts the app, so it looks a bit better presented. Asks if you want some advice. If I say no, it will say, yeah, don't you give up on me. There we go. And you should say goodbye after a few seconds. Again, if I put yes, it should give me, there you go, gives me the advice. This time using the time.sleep and an os.systemclear just to make it nice and neat, and then it automatically changes at the end. There you go. Good luck with the challenge as always, and I'll see you again.